How to turn off Facebook autoplay sound for video. For that, you need to open your Facebook application, or you can also go ahead and access the Facebook website. Log into your account, then tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy and then go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, you need to scroll down and go to the Preference section. There you'll see the option of Media, that is below the language and region. Go ahead and tap on that. Now here you'll get different options for video settings, like video default quality, autoplay, always, show captions, captions display, quiet mode. If you want to go ahead and turn off Facebook autoplay sound for video, go ahead and toggle this option off and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.